Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Kaizen. In this video's topic, we are going to be covering the formula Countif. Now, the Countif formula has two arguments. The one is range followed by the criteria. What is criteria? Criteria is nothing but the condition that you want to count. Count if. The formula is going to count the number of instances that the condition is met so that it can give you the count of the values in that particular range. For example, we want to count the number of del entries in this particular brand, that is the range valuing from A2 to A13 right now. So let's search equals count if open parenthesis. The first argument is the range. Range is nothing but the data range that's starting from A2 to A13 in this example, comma, there are two ways you can mention the criteria. One is you can directly type in the condition in inverted commas or the double quotes, or you can simply select a cell which has already the condition written in that. In this example, we'll take the double quote method, close parenthesis. So basically you are using the Countif formula to count the number of cells which is containing the del value. So we can manually see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cells are already having the del value, so it should return the total value as 4. So let's check it out. So it's working perfectly. So what happens if I change that to something else? Let's change that to Lenovo right now. And it should return to 1 and 2. Now this is how the Countif function works. It has two arguments. The first argument is the range one and the second one is criteria. Now this can be used with comparative operators as well. For example, you want to count the number of values that are above 5000 in this sale value. Now we are going to use the Countif formula again, equals Countif, open parenthesis, simply select the range here, that is B2 to B13 here, comma, in inverted commas, mention the greater than symbol and type in the value that you want to count and hit enter, and it's saying we have 5 values that are about 5000. So let's do a manual count, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's working perfectly. So this is how you can use comparative operators in Countif as well. Let's take another step. Let's go a bit further with the formula here and how it's going to be used in real time. This is basically used to calculate the number of present days absences in an attendance sheet as well. For example, we have a data set here comprised of July dates, and we have a candidate who has present, absent and some sick leaves over here. We want to count the number of days he is present in the overall month. We know that we have the total 31 days there. So let's type in equals Countif, open parenthesis, start range from B2 to ranging till B22, comma, simply type in the present method, that's the condition here that you want to count, and 14 days is present. Let's check for the absence, equals Countif again, open parenthesis, again the same range B2 to B22, if I am correct, comma, that's going to be absent, close bracket and enter, that is 4. Let's remove the total days here and count the total number of sick leaves, that is again Countif, open parenthesis, B2 to B22, comma, in inverted commas. This time instead of using the inverted commas, let's take the direct method by selecting a cell. So let's take the sick value located in B12 here. Again, I can use any other example. For example, I can use the one in B20 or B22. Anything is fine as long as it meets the criteria. Hit enter and it should match. So it's saying like 14 plus 4, 18 and 21. Let's do a count, quick count of all these things. Count A to count the number of entries that are there or not. So let's select the range here and it should return 21, which should match our total values. 14 plus 4, 18 plus 3, 21. 21 entries. So that's it guys for this video. This is Countif formula, first starting with the range followed by criteria. It's used probably one of the advanced functions when it comes to for Excel. It has again the count ifs, sum ifs, average ifs and all, but for this video we are going to only cover the Countif formula. Hope you like the video content. Was it able to understand the concept here? Don't forget to like the video, leave your comments in the comment section and subscribe to my channel to receive daily updates on Excel. Thank you very much for joining guys. See you all in the next video. Take care.